In this video, I'll guide you through how to create labels in LibreOffice, a powerful open source office suite that offers a great alternative to more mainstream options. Whether you're organizing your files, managing your business, or simply wanting to add a personal touch to your mail outs, creating labels is a skill that's both useful and versatile. With LibreOffice, it's surprisingly easy to do, and I'll show you how to get started right away. First, let's open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download and install the latest version from the official LibreOffice website. Once you've opened LibreOffice, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can access all the different components such as Writer, Calc, and Impress. Next, click on File located at the top left corner of your screen. This drop-down menu gives you access to a variety of options, from opening existing documents to creating new ones. For our purposes, we're interested in starting something new, so go ahead and click on New. Following that, select Labels from the options presented. This step will open the Labels dialog where you can begin customizing your label project. Here, you'll find several fields and options you can adjust to suit your needs. Now, it's time to enter the inscription or text you want on your labels. This could be anything from addresses to product names, depending on what you're using the labels for. Don't worry too much about the formatting at this stage. We'll get to that in a bit. Once you've entered your desired inscription, the next step involves selecting a database. If you have a database that contains information you'd like to use for your labels, select it from the list provided. You'll then need to choose the specific table and database field that contains the data you want to include on your labels. If you don't have a database set up, you can proceed without one, but using a database is a great way to automate the process if you're working with a large list. After you've configured your database settings, it's time to move on to selecting the brand and format of your labels. LibreOffice supports a wide range of label brands and formats, so you should be able to find one that fits your needs. If you're planning to print these labels, make sure to choose a format that matches the label sheets you'll be using. Finally, click on New Document to generate your label document. LibreOffice will create a new document populated with your labels based on the settings you've configured. At this stage, you can make any final adjustments to the layout or design of your labels. Feel free to customize fonts, colors, and other elements to make your labels look just right. And there you have it. You've successfully created a set of labels in LibreOffice. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings and designs to find what works best for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out the LibreOffice support forums or community guides for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy labeling.